Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Northpointe Bank mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Northpointe Bank mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in myloan.northpointe.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Northpointe Bank mortgage account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Northpointe Bank mortgage account and tap on Sign In. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you want your email to be remembered next time you log in, tap on the link that says Remember Email. This is how you can log into your Northpointe Bank's mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.